Time to put these right where they belong. Okay guys, so I lost the wheel lock nut key for my 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove it without the key. So today I'm using a 19 mil 12-point socket. This is just like a Mastercraft cheapo one. I'm going to use a hammer to beat the socket on, and then I'm going to use a breaker bar to remove it. And then obviously you'll need a new lug nut, which I purchased from Rock Auto. It's a Dorman lug nut. There's a part number if you need it. Here we go. Simple as that. If you're not going to throw the socket out after, which I'm not, I'm just going to put a punch in this end of the socket, shove it in a vise, smack the punch with a hammer, and it will knock the old keyed lug nut out. So hopefully it helps you out. Please do not do this to steal somebody's wheels. Don't be a shitty person.